Very important raw material which is required by the living organism to maintain their life is carbon dioxide. We all know that the plants take carbon dioxide through small pores which are present on both the surface of the leaf. And these small minute pores, they are called stomata. Of course, there are different types of stomata which we'll be seeing later on. I'm not discussing details of stomata in this particular video. Okay, so these small pores, they are called stomata, and these stomata helps, okay, for the intake of carbon dioxide. So the plants take carbon dioxide through these minute pores. And these minute pores, that is the stomata, are surrounded by some specialized cells. And these specialized cells are called as guard cells. Okay, so the overall raw material which is being required by the living organisms include water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, minerals, vitamins, as well as food. Now, the living organisms have certain characteristic features, okay, which make them totally different from the non-living object. How? Now, these living organisms, or all the living organisms, possess cells containing protoplasm. The living organisms have an ability to respire. The living organism respond to a particular stimuli. Okay, the living organisms utilize food for their growth and development. The living organisms possess an ability to move and locomote. Let me tell you, there is a difference between movement and locomotion. Movement means any part is moving without changing its position. I am moving my hand. Okay, but my hand is joined over here. That position is not changed. My body's position is not changing. But locomotion is a particular process wherein the body changes its position from one place to another. So living organisms, okay, many living organisms, okay, exceptions are there. Many living organisms have an ability to move and locomote. Okay, as well as carbon dioxide. Okay, they are able to exchange the gases, that is taking in oxygen, giving off carbon dioxide. Plants, they are also a living organism. They take in carbon dioxide and give oxygen. That oxygen is utilized by the higher organisms. Okay, we are also included in that. We take in that particular oxygen and we liberate carbon dioxide. Okay, so these characteristic features specifically make the living organisms different from the non-living object, and all the processes together, okay, which brings about the sustaining of a living organism's life or to maintain the living organism's life together is called as life process. Okay, and all these life process include nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, response to a particular stimulus, as well as the ability to reproduce.